Hello, everyone. Welcome to Clara Daily English. Let's learn and practice together.
This is not good. So many red marks.
Arthur, wait a minute.
We need to study more, Mia. This is a problem.
Study more? No, Arthur. Please stop.
I am scared, Mom. Scared? You are safe here, Mia. Wow! A big dinosaur! This drawing is a beautiful mystery.
A mystery? No, this report card is real.
Yes, it is real. But we are a family.
Family? I am sorry for the bad marks.
Bad marks mean you are not trying, Mia.
Not trying? That is not true, Arthur.
A beautiful afternoon.
Beautiful? I just want her to be good.
To be good? You are already good, Mia.
Really? Am I good?
Yes, really. You are our precious treasure.
A treasure. Yes, you are.
Take a deep breath, my beautiful girl.
Beautiful girl? I am not smart.
Not smart? That is a secret lie. You are very smart. Are you okay, Mia? Is the lesson hard? Tell me.
Tell you? Yes, the lesson is very hard.
Look at the leaf. The world is peaceful.
Peaceful? Yes, it is. I am sorry, Mia.
You are sorry? Why, Dad?
Why? Because I was angry. I was wrong.
You were wrong? It is brave to say that.
Mia, what is the hard part? Please tell me.
The hard part? It is the math class. Look! I found an ancient block!
An ancient block? Cool. Math is hard, Mia.
Yes. I do not understand the math. It is fast.
It is fast? Oh, I see. You feel stuck.
Yes, stuck. I am lost in the numbers.
Lost in numbers? Let me understand this clearly.
First, I was angry about the report card.
Angry? Yes. And then we stopped to listen.
Listen,
Yes.
and we discover you are stuck in math.
Stuck in math? Yes, exactly. You understand me now.
Listen to the bird. It is very peaceful.
Peaceful? Yes, my block tower is very tall and peaceful.
A tall tower?
Huh?
Good job, Leo. Mia, I have a plan. A plan?
Yes.
I will help you with the math.
Help me. You will teach me the numbers slowly?
Teach her slowly.
Yes.
I am very proud of you, Arthur.
Proud of me? Thank you. We will discover the answers together.
Discover the answers? Yes. I feel brave now. I am ready.
Brave? That is wonderful. Let's go home, my family.
Go home? Yes. Wow, this bag is very heavy, Mia.
Heavy? I can carry it. I am strong, Dad. Strong?
Yes, but I will carry it today. For my treasure.
My treasure? That is so sweet. Let's walk slowly.
Walk slowly? No, let's run! The beautiful sky is waiting.
The sky is waiting? Okay, Leo. Give me your hand, Mia.
My hand? Here you go, Dad. I love you.
Love you? I love you both so much.
So much?
Yes. Let's go make a delicious dinner together.
The doors. We are here.
Are you here? Open it slowly, Leo.
Open slowly? Yes. The wind is so fresh.
So fresh? Wow, the evening sky is amazing.
Amazing? Yes, let's stop and breathe for a moment.
Breathe for a moment. Let's sit here together.
Sit here together? Yes.
I like this bench.
Like this bench? It is very quiet here.
Quiet here? Dad, what is that white paper?
This white paper? It is a map, Leo.
A map? Does it show a hidden treasure? Woo! A hidden treasure? No, Leo. It shows a puzzle.
A puzzle? Exactly. First, I was very angry.
Very angry?
Yes.
But then we stopped to talk.
Talk? Yes. We discover Mia needs help with math.
Help with math? Okay. We will solve the puzzle.
Solve the puzzle? Yes. We are a great team.
A great team?
The best team.
Let's go now. Go now?
Yes, I am very hungry, Mom.
Hungry? Yes, dinner will be delicious and beautiful.
Oh no! My ancient block is lost! Lost?
It is not lost, Leo. I see it.
See it? It is safe right here.
Safe here? Thank you, Dad. You are very brave.
Very brave?
Oh, yes, he is.
We are home now. Home now?
Uh-huh.
Let's open the door. Slowly.
Open slowly, okay? Wonderful. Why, the house smells so good.
So beautiful? Yes. The heavy backpack stays here.
Stays here? Good. I will make a peaceful tea.
Peaceful tea? Thank you, Clara. Mia, come sit here.
Sit here? Okay. But I feel slightly nervous, Dad.
Slightly nervous? That is okay. We have a secret.
A secret?
The secret is...
Taking one slow step.
One slow step? I can take one slow step.
A slow step? Yes. Look at this wonderful performance.
Beautiful number? It looks very easy right now. Very easy? Yes. My ancient tower is perfectly finished.
Perfectly finished? Great. Now, Mia, what is this number?
This number? It is a 4, Dad.
A 4?
Yes.
Yes. You are completely right, Mia. Completely right?
I am very proud of you.
Proud of me? Thank you. What is next, Dad?
What is next? Ooh, look at this tiny cross.
This tiny cross. It means we add more. Add more?
And more? Ooh, exactly. You are very smart, Mia.
Very smart? Yes! Look at my beautiful ancient block.
Beautiful ancient block? It is very cool, Leo.
Very cool, Leo. Now, Mia, 4 plus 2?
4 plus 2? Let me think slowly.
Think slowly. Take your time. Hide my treasure.
My treasure? The answer is 6, Dad.
The answer is 6?
Yes!
You did it perfectly.
Perfectly?
Yes.
Yes. You are amazing, Mia.
Amazing? Thank you, Mom. The tea is very good. Very good? Hoo-ah! Yay! Mia solved the big puzzle.
The big puzzle? Yes. We will always practice slowly.
Practice slowly? I promise. We are a beautiful family.
A beautiful family? Yes. We solved the big secret safely.
Safely? Always. Tomorrow will be a completely beautiful day.
Beautiful day? I will take my green backpack to school. Green backpack? It is full of new puzzles to discover. Discover?
Yes, and we will solve them together, my brave kids.
Together? Yes. A bad mark is not a real disaster. Real disaster? No. Just ask a simple, safe question.
Safe question? Say, I will help you, and listen slowly. Listen slowly.
Ooh, yes.
Understanding is the most beautiful treasure.
Goodbye, safe family. See you on the next journey.
Subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff. Stay safe and keep learning.